sub. I just hit it right now. We're doing 30 digits. I'll show you now.
Okay, leave it right there and turn on the bathroom. Oh, you're gonna be in the bathroom.
I made this. Tough light. Hooma. I'm just kidding. It's like hooma. Guys, you wanna see it? Look. And I just literally made, look, it's solidified. I think so. I may go. But yeah. Well, I'm gonna do it. Is this? Oh shoot! I totally forgot. Why did I? This one used to be a good one. I thought I made goo, and my dad called me, and yeah, we're back. Hey guys, we're going to the back right now. Sing. I forgot what else. So we'll just do that. He's gonna go. See that? Never doing that again. I might die. Yeah. So scared right now. Well, that's all I have for you today. That's all I have for you today. But yeah, that's all I have for you today, guys. So if we can get this to 1,000 likes, I would do another one. Just kidding. I'm not gonna be like a bunch of people getting a bunch of likes. If we can get this, video to 4 likes, I'll do another one of these, and I'll keep you tuned in for this slime. Next slime. But yeah, guys, all I have for you today. Comment down below if you want to do another one. Comment down below. If we can get 6 likes, do another one. Peace. To the and out. Peace to the out.